Hello, I'm Susan Baker. I'm the professor of the course. This is Contemporary Art History, and I wanted to go over a little bit of how the course is put together, how you can navigate it. And the first thing you want to do when you get into the course is to come to this link where it says Start Here. You'll find your syllabus there and an introductory quiz. Right here is an introductory quiz, and you're going to want to open that up. When you do, it looks like this. And this quizzes you over material on this page, but especially the syllabus. So open the syllabus. Syllabus is going to look like this. Look at the quiz, find the answer in the syllabus. You can toggle back and forth, finding the answers until you complete this quiz and submit it. Once you've done that, then you'll be able to enter these units over here. If you don't take that quiz, when you hit one of these units, you're not going to see anything. There are going to be several links under each unit, and until you take that intro quiz, these links will not appear. You can take that intro quiz over and over and over again. You need to get 13 out of 15 points in order to enter the course. Once you've done that and you've gotten to this page, what you want to do is start here with your PowerPoint. I've already opened it up here. This is what it looks like. This is kind of giving you imagery that your book doesn't provide and giving you a context for the art, which your book also doesn't do. As you're reading along, you'll want to open up this content quiz. And just like with the introductory quiz, you can toggle back and forth. And as you're reading along, you can answer the questions in that quiz. It's open book. So you're toggling back and forth between here and that quiz to answer it. Now, once in a while, you're going to see something in yellow. And when you see that, read what it says to do. For an introduction in Roush, go to Blackboard. You come back to the unit, and down below here, you'll find that link. This is the link it's referring to. If you keep going and you're reading along, you're answering your content quiz, you're reading along. If you keep going, you're going to see another yellow instructions periodically. Here's another one, and this one's saying to watch the relevant information on Kai. Guo Cheng is his name. So you go back here, and here are several links on Kai Guo Cheng. So you will look at those after you get to that point in the PowerPoint. These are in order as you find them as you're going through the PowerPoint. Let's see if we can find that's still another one. Here's another one. See more on Blackboard. BB meets Blackboard. This is on Oldenburg. So you come here, and sure enough, as you scroll down, there's the information on Oldenburg. There's two here on Oldenburg. So those are all in order. So instead of embedding them in the PowerPoint, instead I just put them over here in a row. After you go through the PowerPoint and all of these videos, you'll see that there is an ID quiz for each unit. There's only this one practice ID quiz, so you can kind of get a feel for what's going to happen in that quiz, because this is a closed book quiz. And it will tell you underneath the quiz what you're supposed to study. It says to study Group 1. You'll need to commit the artist's names, the works and the artist's names to memory, and then take this quiz. So you scroll up here, here are your identification lists. And when you open that up, you will see that there are different groups. So this first quiz covers Group 1, the first unit. It's about like Group 2 is for Unit 2, Group 3 is for Unit 3, etc. So you come back to your unit page after you've studied that, and then you'll open up and you'll take this ID quiz. I do encourage you to take the practice quiz. These ID quizzes are timed, and they are closed book, and it'll give you just a kind of sense of what's going to happen when you're not feeling the time constraints. This is a spelling sheet that you can use. You're welcome to use this spelling sheet. It downloaded down here, I guess. You can use this spelling sheet when you're taking the ID quiz. In fact, you need to, because the ID quizzes are machine graded based on what's here. So you want to use these names to make sure that the IDs get graded correctly. If at any time you feel like it's been graded incorrectly, just email me and I'm happy to look at it. And the last thing you're going to do for each unit is come down here to a folder called Discussions. And you'll answer anywhere from 2 to 3 discussions for each unit. You'll click on it, and you'll create your post here. I will respond to the post and give you X amount of points. For example, on this one, you'll answer the question for 7 points. I will respond, and then you'll have an opportunity to reply for up to additional 3 points. And here's the first question: 2 unusual types of media used by contemporary artists in this unit, etc. So you can read that and answer those discussions. Wait for my response, and then respond to my response. So I hope that gives you some kind of orientation. Every unit works the same way. And if you have any questions, please let me know. My information, my contact information is down here, as I said, and the quickest way to get a hold of me is by my email. Hope that helps you get started. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for taking my class.